Hello everyone, good morning all of you. Welcome to the Mission Conquering Exam channel. Today is 8th September 2020 and my name is Kanchan. Here we will start the series of top 10 vocab. So here's the words that I gave you yesterday in the quiz. August, August are first word and the meaning of the word August. August means any person who is very respected and impressive, and the grizzly means anything which create terror and horror. And kindle are a third word. Kindle means hota hai set something on fire, and spectacular means anything which is very impressive. And now we come to the winners of yesterday quiz: Megha Mishra, Neelam Bisht, Madhuri Sonavne and Roshmi Bhoni. Neelam Bisht, congrats, you explain the word very well. You give the meaning with the sentence of that particular word. Thank good Congrats to all of you. And here's the today's words. These are the today's words. So if you know the meaning of a singular, please do comment the word meaning in the section comment section. Preparator is the first word, and preparator is an adjective, and the meaning of that word is immoral, illegal, anything which is illegal known as the perpetrator. And the antonym for the word is victim and sufferer. Any person who is victim and sufferer is the antonym for the word perpetrator. And here's the example for the word perpetrator: most of us feel a strong antipathy to the restoration of relation with such a perpetrator. Means any person who do illegal work, we feel strong antipathy, मतलब टाइप ऑफ टेरर, एंड बहुत ज़्यादा बुरा फील करते हैं कि हम उसके साथ में गुड रिलेशन ड्रॉ ना करें ना. Here will come to the synonym for the verb perpetrator. Perpetrator means होता है culprit, violator, wrongdoer. All these are the synonym for the word perpetrator. Now here will come to the second word. Sorry friends, it is a second word, and second word is indoctrination. Indoctrination is a noun, and the meaning for the word indoctrination is means process of teaching a person. Means to teach a person or a group of persons so that they accept whatever you are said, they believe you blindly. And the antonym for the word is forget or neglect. These are the words for the antonym of the word indoctrination. Here's the example for the word indoctrination: the period of indoctrination varies in length with the individuals. यानी कि जो इंडोक्ट्रिनेशन यानी बिलीव करने का जो पीरियड है वो वेरी करता रहता है इंडिविजुअल्स पे. एंड हियर इज अ सिनोनिम फॉर द वर्ड इंडोक्ट्रिनेशन: ट्रेनिंग, एजुकेशन, ब्रेन वॉशिंग, इनकलेकेशन. all these words are the synonym for the word indoctrination. And I'll come to the third word, that is battered. Battered is an adjective, and the meaning for the word battered is anything which is damaged by using in a repeated manner, or by using in a using in a very long time. And the antonym for the word is construct or create or heal. All these words are the antonym. And now here's the example for the word: finally another body came through, this one bloodied and battered. यानी कि कोई दूसरी बॉडी जो है वो आई इस ब्लडिड और बैटर्ड बॉडी के, ब्लडिड और बैटर्ड जो है ये जो डैमेज है इसके केम थ्रू हुई कोई और बॉडी. ठीक है. एंड नाउ हियर्स अ सिनोनिम फॉर द वर्ड बैटर. बैटर्ड वर्ड का जो अदर सिनोनिम और अदर वर्ड है वो है डिक्रिप्ट एंड worn out. Ramshackle. Ramshackle is an important word, so to remember. Shabby is also an important word. Here is a synonym. And now come to the fourth word, that is orchestra. Orchestra word means to arrange something very carefully and sometimes in unfair manner. Means anything to create in a very good manner, to be created very carefully. And it is a verb. And the antonym for this word is disorganized, dispersed, separated. All these were the antonym for the word. And the example for the word is she orchestrated. सी ऑर्चेस्ट्रेटेड द एंटायर इवेंट. उसने ऑर्चेस्ट्रेट किया, ऑर्गेनाइज किया केयरफुली किसी एक इवेंट को, पूरे इवेंट को. एंड द सिनोनिम फॉर द वर्ड ऑर्चेस्ट्रेटेड मीन्स होता है कोऑर्डिनेट करना, मास्टरमाइंड करना, इंजीनियर करना. ऑल दिस वर्ड आर द सिनोनिम फॉर द वर्ड ऑर्चेस्ट्रेट. And tirade are fifth word, and it is a noun. And the meaning for the word tirade is angry speech, to criticize someone, to accuse someone. Accuse means किसी को दोषी ठहराना. And the antonym for the word is किसी को कॉम्प्लीमेंट करना, किसी को प्रेज करना. ये एंटोनियम है इस वर्ड के. एंड हियर्स द एग्जांपल फॉर दिस वर्ड इज I will not tolerate another tirade regarding whatever you choose to be angry about today. मतलब तुम आज जिस भी चीज़ के लिए को लेके तो एंग्री हो उसका मैं दूसरा tirade टॉलरेट नहीं करूँगा. हियर इज द सिनोनिम फॉर द वर्ड tirade: rent, condemnation, denunciation is an important word. Please do remember these are the synonym. And vilify. Vilify are sixth word, and the vilify is a verb, and the meaning for this word is to write or speak something in a very abusive manner, in very discouraging manner, in a very disparaging manner. To 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 humiliate someone is the meaning for the word vilify. And the antonym for the word is approve, cherish, commend. All these are the antonym for the word vilify. An example of the word is Heather's legal representative said she had been vilified in the media and was now being stalked by photographers. हीदर्स के जो लीगल रिप्रेजेंटेटिव थे उन्होंने कहा कि वो विलीफाई किए जाएंगे मीडिया में और अब उनको स्टॉक किया जाएगा बाय द फोटोग्राफर्स. नाउ सिनोनिम फॉर द वर्ड विलीफाई इज denounce and traduce and vituperate. All these was the synonym for the word denounce, vituperate, and abuse. All these words are synonym. And now come to the seventh word, staunch. Staunch is an adjective, and the meaning for this word is very loyal and committed in attitude. Means any person who is very loyal and committed to whatever he said or to committed to its words. And the antonym for the word is disloyal, undependable, and unreliable person. And the example for the word is the staunch old gentleman was still in his trust and had never left. यानी कि जो स्टेंच ओल्ड मेंटल में जो लॉयल्टी है वो अभी भी उसके ट्रस्ट में है एंड उसने उसको आज तक नहीं छोड़ा है. नाउ ही कम टू द सिनोनिम फॉर द वर्ड staunch. Steadfast, faithful, true, reliable. All these were synonym for the word staunch. Now come to the eighth word. Eighth word is subservient, and subservient is an adjective, and the meaning for the word subservient means any person who is very obedient and serve his or her duty without any question, very loyal, we do his duty very honestly and very loyalty. And the meaning antonym for the word is disobedient, unnecessary, superior. All these was the antonym for the word subservient. And here's the example for the word subservient. Japan is overly subservient to US policy which just breaks our hearts. जापान जो है वो पूरी तरीके से सबसर्विएंट था यूएस की पॉलिसी को, मतलब वो पूरी तरीके से ओबे कर रहा था यूएस की पॉलिसीज को, जिसने हमारे हार्ट को क्या कर दिया, ब्रेक कर दिया. हियर द सिनोनिम फॉर द वर्ड सबसर्विएंट. स्लेविश, सबॉर्डिनेट, सर्वाइल, इंफीरियर, ऑब्सिक्वेस. ये जो सब इंफीरियर और ऑब्सिक्वियस है ये इंपॉर्टेंट वर्ड्स है, सो प्लीज डू रिमेंबर. now here's the ninth word, that is debasement. Debasement is a verb, and the meaning for the word is action to reduce the value or quality of something. If we use something in a very repeated manner, the quality of that particular thing is reduced, and the antonym for that word is uplift or ennoble. And the example for this word is currency debasement. Means that the more dollars there is are in circular, the less each dollar is worth. जितनी ज़्यादा करेंसी जो होती है, करेंसी डिबेसमेंट का मतलब ये होता है जितने ज़्यादा डॉलर सर्कुलेशन में होंगे उतना ही हर डॉलर जो है वो वर्थ होगा, उतना ही कम हर डॉलर वर्थ करेगा. एंड द सिनोनिम फॉर द वर्ड डिबेस. डिबेस इज डिग्रेडेड, corrupt, and vitiated. Please, it is an important word. Adulterated and degenerate. Perverted is also an important word to remember. And our last and but not least word is ensconce. Ensconce is our 10th word, and the ensconce is a verb. And the meaning for the word is establish or settle in a comfortable और सेफ प्लेस. मीन्स टू किसी भी चीज़ को तुम इस्टेब्लिश कर रहे हो, सेटल कर रहे हो कंफर्ट जोन के अंदर में एक सेफ प्लेस पे ले जाके. और इसका जो एंटोनियम हो जाएगा वो होगा डिपार्ट करना, किसी चीज़ को डिस्प्लेस करना. एंड जो एग्जाम्पल इस वर्ड के लिए वो ये है, लारा इज कंफर्टेबली एंस्कॉन्स्ड इन बी चेयर एंड हैज़ नो इमीडिएट प्लान्स टू रिटर्न टू वर्क. लारा जो है कंफर्टेबली एंस्कॉन्स्ड हो गई है बी चेयर में एंड उसके कोई इमीडिएट प्लान्स नहीं है कि वो वर्क पे रिटर्न हो. सिनोनिम फॉर द वर्ड एंस्कॉन्स इज सेटल करना, किसी चीज़ को इंस्टॉल करना, लॉज करना, शेल्टर. ऑल दीज वर द सिनोनिम फॉर द वर्ड कॉन्स. एंड हियर इज द क्विज फॉर द टुमारो. लोथ, डिमर, beleaguer, and dissonance. These are the four words for the quiz. Please friends, if you know the meaning of a single word, please do answer these words in the comment section, and I will declare the solution of these four words quiz on 9th of September. And friends, if you like this video, please give a big thumbs up and share this video as much as you can, and subscribe the channel. Thank you so much friends.